Alright guys, so we're out here in the field, my flying area. Man, this thing outside is just beautiful. The orange is so vibrant. So we're gonna go ahead. The first flight is going to be in angle mode. I may put it in air mode, depends on how smooth and all it feels, and then, you know, fly it around like that and see. But I think I'll probably wait till we get goggles on for that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get it plugged in and get this thing in the air. feel what kind of temperatures we're getting. Motors are lukewarm. I see when I throttle up, I'll get a little bit of this. That's all going to be getting in the goggles, tuning it out. But man, I'm impressed with this. I just don't know how much battery we've used up so far. We have been 5 minutes and something. So I do want to try an air mode real quick. So there's some LOS rolls and a LOS flip. So yeah, this thing, I'm right impressed with it. Oh man, let's put some FPV on this thing. We're about ready to rock and roll. Now, like I said, I feel the idle needs to go down a little bit. This is a 6-inch prop, so that's what we're getting that drag for. So let's go ahead and I believe that that's enough footage to know what's going on. And the battery's fairly warm. Not too bad. Should have brought my temperature gun with me. But yeah, I'm real impressed with this thing, man. Wow, guys. You know, it's awesome that you get to step outside the box and do something like this. I've always wanted to fly over water, and this guy's perfect. Man, that line of sight, now remember that this GoPro is on there. We're gonna get movement like this, so it's just hung onto the little GPS puck on the back with a couple rubber bands and a piece of Velcro. So give that factor in. I don't see none of the screws vibrating loose. Real super smooth. These are Gemfan 6042s, so you guys know how them whiskeys run. They always have that flutter because of that tip on it. But we're gonna get that out. We're gonna tune this thing, and I'm real impressed right there with that. I couldn't ask for a better maiden for doing something what I did inside of this thing. Whew. So yeah, let me get this frickin' camera set up, FPV going in this thing, and then we'll put some goggles on and we'll really take this thing out for a ride. So there you have it. That's my line of sight on this stuff anyway. Even in angle mode, I could take it way out there and come back and stuff. That's where I started flying at, so I'm impressed. Thank you guys for watching. SwellPro, that's pretty good for me taking your body and putting my own insides. These 2750 motors on 4S, I may have to turn the motor output down, to be honest with you. I may crank them down to, say, 2450. Just to try to make it a little bit smoother than what it is. But man, that's smooth. Even in air mode, it was just, I could yaw it around 180 with no problem. It didn't want to, you know, our quads get real fast when we yaw them around at us. I can fly a little bit of line of sight. But anyway, I'm gonna stop talking. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get this thing. The next test will be with FPV. And then hopefully I'll have the arm screws by then. We'll get it in some water. Thank you for watching.